In this video, how to do keyword research for your YouTube videos in 2021. So let's do this. Okay everyone, so we're gonna use VidIQ to help us find good keyword phrases so we can rank much easier. So we are looking for something in the green area, and I'm gonna show you how to do this with VidIQ. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to install VidIQ. So just open up a Chrome browser. After that, just go up to the top right corner, click on these three dots, go down to more tools and go to extensions. In extensions, we're gonna go up to the top right corner, click on this hamburger menu and go all the way down to this one, Open Chrome Web Store. Click on that. In Chrome Web Store, we're gonna go to the search bar and we're gonna search for VidIQ. Hit enter. In the searches, we're gonna go to this one, VidIQ Vision for YouTube. Click on that. And after that, just click on Add to Chrome. And you will get this pop-up. And in the pop-up, we're gonna click on Add Extension. Alright, so this will take you to YouTube after the installation, and to the right you see this VidIQ window. So if you don't have a VidIQ account, you can just go to sign up right here, or just click on sign in with Google. I'm just gonna click on sign in with Google and just choose your Google account. Okay, so when you have your account set up, we can see that we are logged in right here with this VidIQ window. So what we want to do now is we want to click on this one, stats. Alright, and that's it. And now we want to go to the search bar on YouTube and we're gonna do some keyword research. So let's say I want to do some keyword research for a using video like orange juice and things like that. So I'm gonna just type in orange juice like that. And after that I'm gonna do how to. And now we get a lot of these suggestions. And we can go to this one, how to make orange juice. So I'm gonna click on that one and I'm gonna just take orange juice, copy it, delete it and paste it next to the how to make. Alright, so now we have how to make orange juice. And now we get some other suggestions. We have how to make orange juice at home without juicer and things like that. So let's say I want to do this one, how to make orange juice at home. Just click on that. And now if you go to the VidIQ window, we see some results. We can see highest views, average subscribers, added last 7 days, 0 out of 20, average age 3 years, times in title. So this is good because if you create a video with this search word in the title, you would likely to rank higher than if you have not this title. And after that we have overall score, we have 43 of 100. So this is not very great, but it's not impossible. So we got volume right here, the search volume, and we have competition medium. But if you are a brand new account, I recommend you to find something with a higher point score right here. So something with higher volume, but the competition is lower. So we can go down right here and we will get suggestions, but nothing right here is of interest. We want to have something in the green area. So let's try another keyword. So how to make orange juice with a blender. And now we get a 51 point score. So as you can see, we have same volume, but we have lower competition. So that means we have a greater chance of ranking of this long tail keyword, but it's not good enough if you are a small channel. So we're gonna try how to make orange juice with slow juicer. Hit enter. Let's have a look. Alright, so now we have 57. That's alright. If you go down, we have no suggestions. So this is how you have to try to find a perfect title for your video, to include these words in your video, and also add some in the description to try to rank for this title. And as you can see, I have 2 of my videos ranking top 2. I have one that I did for about 3 years ago, but still ranking top number 1. And also, and this one makes me money because I have some affiliate links within this video. So that's awesome. So this is why you should do keyword research before you make your videos, so you know what to do and how to get more views on YouTube. So I'm just gonna go and find something that gives me a greater score. Okay, so I'm gonna try something else because this topic has a lot of competition. So I'm gonna try another topic. I'm gonna do Ethereum, like that, and I'm gonna do how to. Now we get how to start, buy, mine. I'm gonna try this one, how to mine. I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna remove the main topic, copy it, delete it, and add after this one. So how to mine Ethereum, like that. So let's go and have a look at the score. And now we get a great score. We have 69. So you should look for something within the green area if you're a new YouTube channel, because then you will have a greater chance to rank for this keyword phrase. And we can also go down. Now we can see that we have some top related opportunities. We have Ethereum, how to mine Ethereum 2021 with a 71 point score. So what we can do is we can just click on this 3 dots and click on search on YouTube. And this will open up a new browser with this search. And now we can see in the VidIQ window the result right here. So this is how you need to do when you do keyword search for your YouTube videos. You'd have to test this out with the YouTube search bar until you find a good title. After that you can just copy this and add it in the document and just go for the next title, so you have a good document with multiple video ideas. Okay everyone, so if you like this video, please check out my other videos. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.